Hello guys, welcome to INS TechSoft. Here I wanna give you an introduction of a router and how does router work here and how uses of router. Let's see one by one. See the definition of router. A router is a networking device. So that forwards the data packets. Means forwards means deliver the data in the form of packet. So here data is transferring to the another PC in the form of packets. Lot of people ask me what a router is. Here my answer is basically router is a device that you would use to connect multiple computers together to a network. Let's say you have three or four computers at home. Here your job is you want to them all to be sharing files and sharing the internet and even printing to each other or scanning to each other. So here what you need in your home network mainly and do that with your router. So router they basically all look similar to this. There are two kinds of routers out of three ones that are wired and wireless. Here the main truth is all wireless routers are also usually wired routers because even through has this full antennas had to transmit the radio signal to your wireless devices. Means in if you take wireless devices in a router, wireless router, your antenna transmit the radio signal to your router. Let's see what does a router do. Let's talk with the so we have two PCs in a network. They are talk to one another and send message between each other. We can do this by just connecting the PCs together into a crossover cable. Here crossover cable is the Ethernet cable that are connect to like PCs and other devices at the network. Here the router works on the network layer of the OSI model. So we assign the IP addresses to each other devices. So the device has IP address that is 192.168.10.10 and another PC's IP address is 192.168.10.some20. So the now basic IP address is the both same network. Here we can know same network because the network portion of the address is first three and right first three addresses or the network portion. Here the below the subnet marks the first three means 255.255.255 dot 0 reference or the network portion of the address. Let's talk what is the purpose of router. Symbol is a logical representation of the router that we can use to connect the topology and network diagrams where we use icons and it has a four symbol icon cylindrical like circular shapes for cross arrows that describe so in below the physical router it is a Cisco 2900 series router and here the main purpose is the router to traffic from one network to the another network means simply we can say the one example here I'm sending my home line and here I wanted to send a traffic out to a network actually communicate with some one internet means someone PC or someone user whatever it and I need to send that through a router. So sometimes routing or routing device so that a purpose of router is commonly used the router or IP address or IP router. Router IP here it's packets from one network to the another network means in the router data in the form of packets. So this is about the purpose of router.